Look at this image. Now look at this image. We see two similarly cute girls with the same core problem, but different types of the condition. They both have dyschromatosis. What is dyschromatosis? Dyschromatosis is a term used in dermatology to describe a pigmentation disorder of the skin. It is characterized by the simultaneous presence of both hyperpigmented, darker, and hypopigmented, lighter, spots, or macules. Case 1, Dyschromatosis Symmetrica Hereditaria, DSH. Now, coming back to our two cute girls in the outpatient department, in this first image, you see a young Japanese girl, which is consistent with the typical demographic for this condition. Her face is covered in numerous freckle-like, hyperpigmented macules. These macules are generally small, discrete, and scattered across the cheeks, nose, and forehead, resembling common freckles. An inset image prominently displays the dorsum, or back, of both hands and fingers. Similar pigmentation pattern on the back of feet. These areas exhibits the characteristic reticulate, or net-like, pattern of mixed hyperpigmentation and hypopigmentation. This is Dyschromatosis Symmetrica Hereditaria, DSH. Case 2, Dyschromatosis Universalis Hereditaria, DUH. In contrast, in the second image, you see the second girl of the same age. This is Dyschromatosis Universalis Hereditaria, DUH. As the name suggests, the pigmentation changes are universal or widespread, covering the majority of the body. You can observe a mottled pattern consisting of small, irregular patches of both darker, hyperpigmented, and lighter, hypopigmented, skin. This generalized involvement covers the trunk, neck, and limbs. A key diagnostic feature to note is that this extensive mottling usually spares the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet, a detail critical for differential diagnosis from DSH. Dyschromatosis Universalis Hereditaria. This side-by-side view clearly illustrates the essential clinical difference. DUH involves a generalized, universal pattern, while DSH presents with a localized, symmetrical, and extremity-focused pattern. If you liked the video, please comment, share and follow. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.